my name is Shweta. Today we will discuss about first aid. Immediate aid even before the medical aid arrives is known as first aid. Measure of first aid: external bleeding. Make the injured person sit or lie down. Clean the wound with clean water. Keep the injured part above the heart level. Burn or scald. Minor burn. The burn part should be washed with cold water or held under running water. Victim should be given water to drink. Oily ointment should not be applied. Dry dressing should be used to cover the wound. Third, serious burn. Cover the wound with sterile cloth. Jewelry, shoes or tight clothes should be removed. Blister should not be touched or handled. Oily ointment should not be applied. Clothes may be stuck to victim's body. Do not pull them. Try to get medical aid as soon as possible. Give emotional support to the victim. Sunstroke. If a person works continuously for a long time in the sun, then the body loses water and minerals. This dehydration results in sunstroke. Remedial measures for sunstroke: the patient should be immediately taken to be a cool place or in the shade. The body should be given cold sponge bath. The neck of a patient should be covered with a wet cloth. Patient should be given water. For snake bite: all snakes are not poisonous. Only few such as cobras, kraits, vipers and snakes are poisonous. Bite by poisonous snake should be fatal. Instead of killing, one should try to save the snake with the help of volunteer who rescues the snake and release it into its natural habitat. Remedial measure for snake bite: giving the emotional support to the victim, washing the wound with water, seeking medical help immediately. Dog bite. Dog bite can be dangerous if the dog is not vaccinated by anti-rabies vaccine. Hence, immediate care and medical help should be given to the victim as rabies is 100% fatal. Remedial measure for dog bite: wound should be first clean and then washed with potassium permanganate solution. Wound should be covered with clean and dry cloth. Taking help from doctor, victims should be given anti-rabies vaccine and care of his or her wound should be taken. Thank you.